The LIGO hand pallet truck features smooth steering and a high-precision body, making it easier to transport heavy loads. 3 lever controls for easy operation. An adjustable lowering speed ensures smooth lifting and lowering operations. Oh, did you know? The handle lever automatically returns to the neutral position after lowering. You can adjust the connecting rod to realign the forks to the same height. Reinforcements added to the bottom of the forks allow for heavier loads, while the embossed design increases capacity by 400 kilograms. Finally, the expanded rod wheel protection space ensures the rod wheel and connecting rod stay safe from external impacts.